Hey guys, so how to fix Urban VPN not connecting? 5 real fixes. So if Urban VPN stocks on connecting, say connection failed or connect and immediately disconnect, don't reinstall the app right away. So check your internet first, turn VPN off and open a few websites normally. And if ever try switching between Wi-Fi to data and data to Wi-Fi, yeah. So it usually does the trick, and if it doesn't, I suggest turning on airplane mode just for 5 seconds. And then disconnect every other VPN if you have another VPN. And try a different urban VPN location. There's a lot of locations that are free. You can try different one of those. For example, Finland. Try it. And and then the fourth fix that you can do is restart your Urban VPN and wait for auto reconnect. Completely close Urban VPN app, or then open it again and try connecting. And check whether you're actually connected, guys. Sometimes the app appears connected but your traffic isn't going through the VPN correctly. Before connecting, check your public IP address, then connect Urban VPN. Check it again. If the IP is changed to the VPN location, the VPN is working. Urban VPN itself recommends this method for confirming whether the connection is active. So yeah, anyways guys, there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions or maybe concerns, you can always type it down in the comments below, guys. I will be happy to answer you as soon as possible, guys. See you guys on the next one, and there you go, guys. Thank you, guys.